Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add funds to Phantom Wallet. Adding funds to Phantom Wallet does not work like a normal bank app where you deposit money. Instead, you add funds by receiving crypto from another wallet, exchange out a friend or buying crypto inside the app. And once the crypto arrives, it automatically appears in your balance of Purse. Launch to your app. And over here, once you get into this interface, in the top we can find there's an option for the add funds. Tap on the funds there. Over here you can either add funds by buying or transferring. So as I'm going to select to this receive there, you can simply send it to yourself as well. So over here you can tap on the buy and you can also send it to yourself, and you can select how much you want to buy for and tap on the continue. And after that, you can paste this address into the exchange like Binance or another wallet, and once sent, funds will appear in the Phantom after the confirmation. And you can also pay it with a debit or credit card or Apple Pay if available, and you can confirm the purchase and crypto will be added to your wallet. To add funds to Phantom Wallet, you either receive or buy it inside the app or transfer it from an exchange. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.